HM Creative. Today, I want to teach you guys how to insert this text into a table with a single steps. If you are going for a job interview and they ask you to insert this text into a table, instead of you copying the text one by one and pasting it into the table like I'm doing it now, page, area, year, yeah, John, like this, which will take time and effort. I want to teach you guys how you can do it with a single step, and it will create all these names into a table with a single steps. Firstly, you are going to highlight the text. When you highlight the text, you will go to insert, and when you go to insert, you will go to table, and when you go to your table, you are going to see convert text to table. You are going to click on it. After then, you are going to see something like this. So our column should be 5 because the headings are 5: the names, the surnames, the age, the area, and the year. So our column will be automatically 5. And you are going to go to this place and we are going to choose others, and we are going to put comma because it is the comma that we use to separate all our headings. So Nicole, comma, Lee, comma, the age, comma. So if it is a period that we use, here we are going to include period. But now it is the comma that we use. We are going to include comma, and we are going to press OK. You can see the table has been done, and it just made a minor adjustment in which you can do so that the table will look okay. With a simple adjustment, now you can see our table is now being done. Instead of stressing yourself to be inputting or copying the table one by one, you can see we have now created a table with our text. If you want more video like this, you can click and subscribe on my YouTube channels, and you can click on the notification button so that if I upload any video, you can easily see it. Thanks so much.